to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me. Alright, you want.
Hours later.
All right, y'all. We at Rod Shop.
RSG Customs.
RSG Customs, y'all here. Now, Rod, I want you to tell my people how you got in touch with me and what I'm about to do for you.
Man, I reached out to them on his Gmail. They answered it, hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Left my info, they hit me back. Got this avalanche over here. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to play with it, so I had to reach out to the bits.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I want to, you know, put a nice paint job on it, and man, God bless me, man. They answered my call.
Yeah, and I came down here to Memphis.
Yes, sir.
Take care of my business. He gonna show us the avalanche.
Walk over here.
We got a nice size shops, guys.
Yeah, it's nice. I wish I had something this big.
Stock avalanche sitting on 30-inch floaters.
Sitting on 30s, y'all. See, you can go ahead.
It was a stock base model truck, but of course, I made it fully loaded. I did the interior on it. I did the sunroof on it.
Okay, y'all see the panoramic? Who did the headline in it?
Oh, we did.
It look factory. Yeah. Yeah.
30s?
30s.
30-inch floaters.
Now, for us, the color scheme, tell him what you want to go with. He really haven't made up his
I've been
mind.
undecided, but I just want something nice, man.
Yeah.
And I trust whatever I pick, my SprayWay gonna do it. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? Just want to represent it.
Y'all see, you got the upholstery shop going on over here. Yeah.
Got foam and go to the club downtown. So,
Okay. What is it gonna be, like some seats or something?
yeah, it's this right here. I'm sure too. We already went built the layout on it, and we did all this in one day.
Yeah.
We did all that in one day.
Okay. Oh, y'all ain't playing.
That's what I told them. We don't only do cars and furniture. We also do clubs, bars, restaurant, patios, anything to do with building for upholstery.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to sit in on them. You know, your poster guy. I can learn some stuff.
Oh yeah,
For real.
for sure.
Especially like breaking these seats down. Now I probably can do everything, but for us like breaking the seats down and getting the patterns, that's what
That's what
I
you
might
trying
have
to
a
do.
problem. We ain't tried, but it just seemed like it'd be kind of a hard deal for us doing.
Like this my Cutlass over here. This is the we working on it now.
Okay.
This is the before, but I can show y'all a
Yeah.
demo of what I done put in the car so far.
Yeah.
This is my car. This is the one that I'm going all the way out on. All
Yeah.
frame, everything.
Okay.
Yep. The headline was done.
Yeah. So y'all be getting it in, I see.
Yep. The crazy part about it, all these my cars is together.
That's how my shop probably gonna look.
This mine, this mine, this mine, this mine, this mine.
Oh Lord. He say, oh.
So you really right.
This really your garage.
This one myself in about a week or so.
Okay.
I'm about to do this one myself.
What kind of guns you all be using?
Got brand new guns that I actually bought at home. But my paint man, my manufacturer, he on his way up here right now.
Okay.
He just bought me a brand new gun yesterday.
Yeah.
And I got a few of these. Like these.
Hey, when y'all want to move the truck, bro?
Okay. I gotta move the
Trying
truck.
to bag back in the box truck.
I'll be back. I'm gonna cut y'all off. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get in.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm back, y'all. I had to go move the truck. This is Cadillac they just painted.
Man, we we actually painted it, redid it, cause it had flaws in it. And man, like one of my mentors that's finna come up here now, he said that we painted it again too soon. Like we just painted it.
Yeah.
And then take it all the way off, like take it down.
Yeah.
It's coming from, the bottom of
The
it. Like,
solvent still be evaporating.
Yeah.
It ain't. It's trapped. It's trapped now.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
He was like, man, you take it out there in the sun, it's gonna do worse.
Yeah, it's gonna get worse than that because the solvents.
Yeah.
I'll put it on
Trap.
that.
It went
let
through.
It do what it do.
Yeah, it ain't gonna get no better though. It's gonna get worse.
Don't let it do what it do. That way you, hey.
But it's black though. You can touch this up though. Even like you can sand that back down and touch it up real easy because it's a solid color.
Yeah.
If it was like a candy or a pearl or flip,
The one you got the
yeah, it'd be hard. But black, you can touch this up real easy. Y'all did the top too?
Yeah, top and roof.
Yeah. Y'all see?
Yeah, he
That's the SRX roof there?
yeah,
The Cadillac? Okay.
Both of them.
Yeah, see the stitching there?
Hey, y'all got these roof looking good.
Yeah.
My host guy, he do the verticals. Like we finna put a vertical on a Mustang. We already did the system on Mustang.
Yeah.
Door panels and everything. And this is another thing, like they call like these little things, like I'm trying to show it to you. It's like a little. It's kind of hard to see it.
Oh,
nice,
it's a metallic, huh?
but it be looking like
Hello.
shabby back there, kind of. You know what I'm saying? Like
We here
looking
with the
crazy.
shop.
Black something serious.
That's why I'm pointing to black.
As you can see, we went from looking at cars and you see your boy looking at a pair of shoes right now. You know what I'm talking about? The main man, Memphis Rod, what we call
Yeah,
him.
we call him Memphis Rod.
You feel me? Man, he just blessed your boy down with a pair of J's, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we got a lot of shit going on, man. You know what I'm talking about? You still got your shop with the shoes
Yeah, I'm
going
also
on?
the owner of 10/7 Kicks.
10/7
blessed with a pair of kicks.
Okay, then. I appreciate that, man.
Yeah.
Again,
Owner of
way been
10/7
blessed down.
kicks.
Look at that. Man, this is what it is, man. It's called love right here, man. It's
Yeah,
called love right here. You know what I'm saying? Look, hey. Get what? Much appreciated, man.
Oh,
Much
yeah.
appreciated. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be y'all. Hey, y'all gonna see me coming up. Y'all already know, bro. I'm gonna go find something well with that, huh?
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We right from the bottom.